All right, Adrian, I appreciate you sitting talking with me because we can tell the viewers about this stuff, but you know it intimately. Why is the Predator line so well received and such a great option for hunters?
I think our engineers made a good job in that they created basically that on hunters' needs for the hunters. So we have the entire Predator line existing of two different scope models. That's the Predator 4 family and that's the Predator 8 family, coming with different specs.
Right. One meaning there's different options, different magnifications, but one being turret options right on the top, others being, what's the word for this here on the side?
So this is the illumination and the parallax adjustment.
Right. So the reticle has a parallax adjustment on the side, which is extra clarity at extra distances, the illumination reticle, and then we have the turrets with all those features too, the turrets right on the top and easy for those guys who want to shoot further. Excellent. If it's at 250, turret to 250. Which is spectacular.
The Predator 4 again, it's a 4 times magnification coming with 3 other models. This is an 8 times magnification, which is rather unique to the market as well, but gives the hunter a big advantage, a big field from stock hunt to faraway hunt.
Which is very relevant where we're from. We come from a country that's coast to coast to coast with prairies to tight boreal forest, so that's a great option. Now the binos, a few really exciting things in there. So we have three different models here. Give me a quick pro of each one of these because they all have significant advantages.
Okay, so we start with the two typical binos, which are the 10x42 family. So we have the 10x42 in Poro Prism, which is my favorite, and we have the 10x42 Roof Prism, which is slim design, whereas most liked in North America, especially in Canada. So that Poro Prism is rather new or unknown, but again, for me, my favorite.
Right, and I do believe this is unknown to most hunters where we're from because Poro Prism means it's each eye's adjusted. Once you've locked in at a target, say at 100 meters, everything after that you look at never needs adjustment. The binos, once they're set to your eyes, specifically your eyes, from 100 meters to 1,000 meters is in focus. There's no playing with this. Where this one still requires single eye adjustment, but moving if it's 100 meters, again moving if it's 1,000 meters to bring it into focus.
Right.
Okay, now that is new for us. We jokingly say this one's easier because you don't have to think once they're locked in.
And just to give you an idea, this is used by highway patrol, especially for scanning cars, and they're passing fast by.
Right.
You have no time to focus.
Because it's coming at you and changing.
Exactly.
And that's a good example. A car's driving towards us and we can read the plate at 150 meters and read the plate at 50 meters. There's no tuning. It happens, which is almost like magic in layman's terms for us.
In fact.
Okay, very cool, but maybe my favorite that you've come out with, this one has a couple buttons on top. What is this about?
So this is our laser range finding system, 10x42 as well, very slick, slim design, no bulbs because the battery is included into the bridge. It has the laser range finding system inside. It ranges up to 1,800 meters. Sometimes even further. It depends on how big the size of the target is. And you have different modes like a rain mode, enhanced mode, brush mode where you can go through. So the rain mode is basically intensifying the laser so that it's not reflected by a raindrop.
But in layman's terms, again, I don't need a rangefinder hanging off here hidden in a pocket. I have it all. And I used that last fall. It ranged out to 2,000 yards for me, and it was so easy because while I'm scanning glassing, I'm presetting trees and humps and rocks and where the animal comes, I already know. So,
and don't forget about the inclination or angle inclination. So that means if you are hunting elevation up or downhill, you have the elevation angle where it tells you how big the difference is in terms of degrees.
Yes, you're making hunting a lot more enjoyable for us. Thank you. Now the next step after making all this is to come hunt with us in Canada one day.
I will do,
okay.
Definitely. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Hey folks, hope you enjoyed this video. For more great videos and content, please subscribe to our page and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see. And to follow our amazing adventures around Canada, please join us on Facebook and Instagram.